Welcome to another video. So I'm having a staycation and I decided to film my shower routine. So before I go into the shower, I'll be using my charcoal toothpaste and toothbrush to brush my mouth, and after that I'll be using my Teal mouthwash. I don't know if I pronounced that well. So I do wash my face before going into the shower, especially when I'm on lashes. So I'll be using CeraVe acne control cleanser to wash my face. That was recommended to me when I had so much acne on my face, and that helps a lot. That was recommended to me. I don't know if it will work for any other person, but it works for me, so that's what I've been using. For context, I have an oily face but dry skin. So products I use on my face are for oily face, and then products I use on my body are actually for dry skin. So on my body I use something that hydrates, and on my face I use something that doesn't hydrate. That makes sense. So the sponge I'll be using is a soft sponge. I got it for 1,500. And for a start, I'll be going in with my Dove Beauty Bar soap to clean my body before I scrub my body, just to open my pores. After washing my body for the first time with the Dove bar soap, I'll be going in with my Dr. Teal's body scrub. I use this scrub because it has an oil. I told you guys earlier that I use anything that hydrates my body, and Dr. Teal's actually hydrates my body because there's an oil in it and it's vitamin C. I love this scrub so much. I have so many scrubs, but this is my go-to body scrub. And after scrubbing my body, I'll be going in with my ears shaving cream. It doesn't actually itch my body, that's why I always go for it, and it also moisturizes. I bought this in lavender, and the shaving stick I'm using has 5 blades, and it makes it easier for me not to cut myself. And after that, I will be going in with my Body Factory. This is one of the best good smelling body wash I have. This actually comes in different flavor, but the one I'm using is banana flavor, and it smells just like banana. If you like banana smell, it doesn't smell like the raw banana, but like it smells like banana flavor. And if you want to smell it comes in different flavors, so you can just go for any of the flavor you like. And after that, I'll just moisturize my body with Palmer body oil and do my after shower routine, if that makes sense. So if you watch it to this part, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, see you guys in my next vlog.
Just fight through the pain.